Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you some Eneba coupon codes, alright? The top 3 discount codes. As per the channel, I should give you only just 3 discount codes, but in this video I'm going to give you 3 websites right here that gives promo codes, alright? First one right here, you can try the 5% off gift cards, which will end in an hour. So if you can see this video right now, just go ahead and copy this one, alright? The GGD NPB ATT, another one here, 13% off video games, GGD 13, and 8% off for video games as well, GGD 8. All right, our website here. Let's tap on or click on Get Coupon. Try and Itzo, another one, the Planet Key 6, all right, and the AKS 13. This one, you can try these ones as well. They worked recently. Just go ahead and pause the video and try it out yourself. Another website here from iprice.ph. If you live in the Philippines, just go ahead and try this one. Just locate their website and have fun. And I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.